Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will devote ourselves to an exciting deal between two powerful and very similar tablets from Doogee, namely the T30 Ultra with the 11-inch display and the T20 Ultra with a slightly larger 12-inch display. We will analyze the detailed specifications, features and performance of these devices so you can make the best choice. Let's go! Let's start with parallel unboxing. Both tablets come with extra screen protection with tempered glass, even though they already come with the screen protection from the factory. Furthermore, each of the tablets comes with this handy protective flip case, which is also waterproof and serves as protection for your tablet from shock, scratches and falls. Very useful thing, and best of all, you get it for free. What else do we have in the boxes? Screen protector, accessories, user manual instructions for each of our tablet, SIM pin, USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer, and finally 24-watt fast charger. Okay, that was the contents of our sales package. Now let's move on to our tablets. Let's start with the design and screen, where every detail plays a key role. The T30 Ultra boasts an elegant metal casing using a new straightforward design language for the metal body of 6 series aluminum aerospace grade metal constructions that produce a classic color and delicate sandblasting for good touch and excellent structural design. The top of the tablet features the brushed metal finish, giving the tablet not only a superior visual experience but also exceptional structural durability. The T30 Ultra screen itself, impressive with the 11 inches and the 2.5K resolution, provides not only a crystal clear images but also TÜV SAT certificate for filtering blue light, perfect for presentations or relaxing after a busy day. T20 Ultra is also a meticulous design with a fresh, uncomplicated design language that harmoniously combines grace and simplicity. Its outer shell showcasing a precisely crafted metal frame made from aerospace-grade aluminum in the 6 series, astonishing a novel benchmark in terms of durability and performance. This top-tier material not only amplifies the polished aesthetics but also guarantees a device that is both lightweight and resilient, enduring the passage of time. Elevate your user experience with the state-of-the-art design and constructions of aerospace quality. On the other hand, the T12 Ultra has an even greater 12-inch screen with the 2K resolution, also TÜV SAT certified, and impressive screen-to-body ratio of 87.2%, and this tablet really provides an unforgettable audio-visual experience. Both screens look great and impressive, there really is no complaint. The display on the Doogee tablets is one of the best that you can get in this tablet category. It's a perfect choice for watching videos, watching business graphics or reading scripts because it has a big and high quality display. All the colors are rich and vibrant. It is ideal for watching YouTube, and since it also has a Wireline L1 DRR support, watching Netflix, HBO or Disney Plus will be a real pleasure for the eyes. Now let's move on to performance. Both tablets are powered by a powerful Helio G99 octa-core processor built in 6nm process technology, providing not only smooth multitasking experience but also impressive energy efficiency. On the other hand, the T20 Ultra also delivers stable performance thanks to its Helio G99 processor, and the large surface makes it the right choice for gaming enthusiasts and users on demanding applications. This powerful chipset offering advanced energy efficient and currently standing as the fastest 4G chipset on the market. When it comes to memory, the T20 and the T30 Ultra sets a new standard with the generous 12GB base RAM that you can upgrade with the additional virtual RAM with 20GB, which brings us to total or even incredible 32GB of RAM, which will additionally ensure ultra smooth multitasking and lightning fast performance. In terms of storage, the two tablets offers a generous 256GB capacity of fast UFS 2.2 storage, which can be further expanded up to massive 2TB for those who require extra space. Both of tablets delivers truly exceptional performance on this price class, surpassing the capabilities of other competitions in this category. Its focus on a multi-day usage sets it apart, offering an unmatched user experience that caters to a wide range of needs. For passionate gamers, this tablet is something special, and it excels in gaming. It effortlessly handles the most demanding games available on the Google Play Store, providing top-notch performance even in the highest settings. This powerful hardware, combined with the unique 7-dimensional graphic field cooling system, effortlessly manages temperatures to prevent overheating during extended gaming seasons. As for the battery, the T20 Ultra dominates with impressive huge 10,800 mAh battery, promising up to 781 hours of standby, 10 hours of streaming and 8 hours of gaming. It is a battery designed to accompany your activity in task or entertainment through all day. But don't estimate the T30 Ultra, which also has a large battery of 8580 mAh with a fast charging of 18 watts and even the possibility of reversible charging, enabling up to 789 hours standby, 18 hours of music playback and 18 hours of watching YouTube videos, uninterrupted entertainment enjoyment guaranteed for hours. When it comes to cameras and sound, both tablets bring extremely useful features. With a 16-megapixel main and 8-megapixel front camera, the shooting possibilities are endless. Both have a different design camera models that are essentially completely technically identical, with find one lens and LED flash. The 60-megapixel main camera lens can capture videos up to 2K video resolution and 60 fps with ACE. To get a feel for the camera performance, it's the best to check out our sample photos and videos we took using both tablets, so let's take a look. As I said earlier, the T30 is not only a visual but also high quality audio experience. The PA quad speakers with the high-res certificate make every sound a special experience, and the T20 Ultra is not far behind, offering an impressive audio experience also with the quad stereo speakers and the high-res certifications. Multimedia needs are met here on the highest level. On the other hand, both tablets come with the 3.5mm audio jack, so both devices are a truly wonder for all your entertainment and multimedia needs. These two tablets run on the latest Android 13 operating system, providing a smooth user experience with the state-of-the-art security features. With support of 2 SIM cards and a dual Wi-Fi, staying connected wherever you go is guaranteed. On the other hand, tablets come with the precise navigation system, built-in VPS Office, split-screen functionality, interconnection with multiple devices, as well as a docking plug-in interface that supports keyboard connection. And so in front of you are the Doogee T30 and the T20 Ultra, these phenomenal tablets with unique and somehow equal characteristics that satisfy different preferences. Whatever you prefer, the compactness of the 11-inch T30 Ultra, of the enjoyment, the audiovisual spectacle of the large 12-inch T20 Ultra, Doogee has the right solution for everyone. Whatever you are, student, professional or just a tech enthusiast, the Doogee has a tablet that suits your requirements. Both are lightweight and thin. What would be your choice? Share with us in the comment below, and don't forget to visit the official sales links below the video and grab your new Doogee tablet today at a great price. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more detailed reviews. Until next time, bye.